In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Kajabi course quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to clean up your course offerings or remove an outdated program, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be familiar with the process of removing a course securely from your Kajabi platform. Let's start by logging into your Kajabi account. Open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your dashboard. Enter your login credentials and click the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, it's time to move on to the next step. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, locate and click on Products. This section contains all your courses and digital products available to you on Kajabi. It's here that you'll be able to see an overview of everything you currently offer, making it easy to navigate and manage your products. Now that you're in the Products section, take a moment to browse through your list of courses. You need to find the specific course you want to delete. Once you've identified the course, look to the right of the course title and you'll see a button with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this menu to explore further options for that course. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice an option labeled Delete. Select this option to initiate the deletion process. When you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is a safeguard, ensuring that you truly intend to delete the course, as this action is irreversible. If you're confident in your decision and ready to proceed, click on Yes Delete or the Confirm button on the pop-up. This action will permanently remove the course from your Kajabi account. After the course has been successfully deleted, it's wise to double-check your dashboard. Go back to the Products section to verify that the course no longer appears in your list. It's important to note that Kajabi does not automatically notify any enrolled students about the course deletion. If you are offering this as a live course, consider sending a personal email to inform them of your decision, providing any necessary updates or alternatives. There you have it, a simple and straightforward way to delete a course from your Kajabi account. By following these steps, you can streamline your course offerings and keep your digital product list up to date. Thanks for watching.